couple of cues for the Swiss ball crunch. The more the ball is inflated, the easier it's going to be. As you can see, mine's a little flat, so it's a little bit harder. So I like to use the cue of hands on your head for this one rather than on your shoulders, because what we're trying not to do is a crunch like this, okay? So keeping your hands on your head, squeeze your elbows back, inflate your chest. So really trying to keep your upper body activated. Coming down into the started position, again, keeping those shoulders back, keeping everything engaged. And I want you to imagine you're trying to push your hips back into the ball and bringing your chest up to the ceiling, okay? You can see the difference between this one and this one, okay? We're trying not to crunch like this. We're trying to open up our chest, push our chest to the ceiling as we push our hips back into the ball, like that.